CTHS Knights, welcome to cosmetology. We are going to unbox your kit together, and we're going to start off with a clean surface. So make sure that you have a good long hour to do all of this. Make sure that wherever you're seated is a clean setup, a table, the floor, your bed, wherever you're going to do, okay, is fine. But make sure it's clean. Make sure you sanitized it, disinfected it, did some wipies or something. You're going to be putting these clean items on the surface. So if your floor is dirty, if your carpet or your bed or whatever is dirty, it's not going to work, okay? If you have a surface where you have animals like cats and dogs and whatnot, and then there's fur everywhere, that is not going to work out. So I have 3 cats, so I know how surfaces at the house work. Clean it. Okay, clean surface. You need a big surface, and a surface where you can lay everything out and you're not going to be scrunched and losing things. Make sure you're in a space by yourself. You don't want to have little siblings or dogs or coming into your area, taking your things, because then you're going to say, I don't have it, and you really did. They just took off with it. The other thing that you want, make sure you wash your hands, okay? You're going to get your products. You're going to be taking your things out of the containers, or things out of packaging. Take the packaging. For the video, I'm just going to drop it here, but I'm going to just make a big pile. At the end of the video, if there's anything that I'm missing, I'm going to go back to my pile of trash and look through it, because sometimes things get stuck. Okay, do not throw anything away until you are certain that everything's done. You have until the first Monday before the first day of school to tell me, hey, Miss Ramirez, something's wrong, missing, broken, damaged, etc. If you don't tell me after that Monday, I cannot help you, okay? So just FYI. You also need either some scissors or maybe like a little box cutter that you're going to be able to open the packaging with. That is going to be very helpful, okay? So we're going to do this in sections. And let's get started with the first 2 items that are loose. These are 2 small containers. These containers they belong to the Max kit. It is the box that you got. These were back ordered, which is why they came separate. Okay, so you do have these 2. We're just going to put those off to the side for now. These will come back in the video later when we unbox the big, or unpackage the big box. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with your bag. Okay, at orientation, you got this bag. Isn't it cute? This is the first time we have this bag. It is a bag from Amazon, so if you are watching this and your parent wants one or you want another one, you want to replace it, it's from Amazon. Okay, here's the brand. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It's just the bag that I found. I loved it. You can put your ID badge here, your lanyard, your keys, your whatever, charms, whatever, you can hang in here. There's a cute little pocket in the front. We can embroider this here. We have a good little pouch here for like maybe if you're going to put your phone in there, since it's not allowed anymore to be out. You have a good size wide pocket on either side, so you're able to put different things there. It's big enough to fit your tablet, right, for school, your computer. And then on the opposite side, there are 2 big pockets. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. Big, big, nice. It's like canvas style. It's nice and sturdy straps. It's got a sturdy bottom. It's just a really good bag in general, okay? So, this is the bag that you're going to use to carry out things around school, okay? From here, we're going to go ahead and take out our items. We're going to go ahead and start with our makeup kit. So, our makeup kit is from the Makeup Artist Project here in Houston. Shout out to them. Not sponsored, none of that, right? We don't, but they are a business partner, okay? They are a business partner with a vendor, a business partner, a mentor, someone in the industry, in the community that we have that help our students out. This kit comes from their store. Check them out, okay? This here is the brush set that comes with your makeup kit. You can take the brushes out. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to unpackage individual items on camera. When we package your kit, you'll see the things again. But take throw the y'all. Okay, so y'all are new. This is a box. Okay, this is trash. You don't need the outside. Don't save it. Don't throw it away. We just need the brushes. Okay, just the brushes. All right. Then you have this little cellophane bag, and it's kind of like a iridescent color. This is your makeup bag. Okay, you can cut it or just peel it open. The bag, I guess, is reusable. And let's take some things out of the bag. There is some information about the makeup artist store. Okay, we do. It's a store and a school. Okay, we do have one thing that is not included in here is you're gonna get matched. So they're gonna match your foundation to your skin tone, but you have to physically be there. So we're gonna do a field trip. We're gonna go here. They're gonna match your foundation. The inside kind of looks like that. You match your foundation, and they're gonna give you your foundation then. Okay, depending on your skin type and color and all the things, everyone's gonna get something different. Okay. We also get a class with your makeup kit. We get a class, so it's going to be something like this, where Sam, which is the makeup artist owner that's there, she gives us a class, gives the students a class. It's honestly really cool it's a really cool experience. And the studio is the classroom is amazing. And the store is just like, man, kid in the candy store. Okay, so some of the things that come in here are going to be your contour palette. You need to take the packaging off out of that, take that out of the packaging. This is going to be your shadow. It does have a little packaging seal. You can take that off, so you keep that in camera view. You do have that. You have your lip gloss, okay? You have the mascara. You have, and again, this is why it needs to be clean. You do have a sponge in here. I should have opened that the other way, but you do have a sponge in here. Okay, this, if it was rolling around the ground, it is now contaminated, and you shouldn't use it on your face. Okay, so that's why I disinfected this table surface before I started, so this is clean, and I'm wearing gloves, so I know it's clean. Okay, so this is a sponge. Everybody has maybe different shape or different color, but it comes with a sponge. It comes with setting powder. This is the Ben Nye brand. It's a very good brand. It's not cheap, okay? Not cheap brand, but it's good powder. Okay, setting powder. And then you have a liquid eyeliner. You have primer. Now there are, I believe, 3 of you whom did not get a primer. You have a little piece of paper that says you are missing the primer on your kit. Please put your name on this paper, give it to me, and then I will give you your primer when I have it. They were back ordered, so please make sure that you give me your paper if you're missing your primer. And then you have 2 pink of these, okay? These are eyeliners, the brown and the black, 2 pink ones. Then you have a white liner and 4 shades of liner, okay? So these are all lip liners, okay? These are the items that come in your kit. Please remember that your foundation is missing and the class is missing, okay? And then the 3 of you that are missing this primer. Now, please, yes, you can use these things. Please, I need you to not use them until I teach you how to use them, because sanitation is a big deal. We don't use these brushes and use this on our face and then go put it on a bride or go put it on a client we don't do that. We use disposable tools and all sorts of things, and we clean them. And so please do not use this until I teach you how to use it. None of your stuff should be used at home until you learn how to use it. Okay, so I'm not going to package the rest. I'm going to put it to the side because we're going to move on to the next thing in your kit. All right, we're going to go with this little bag. It is the fall bag. It is the fall fall face painting kit. Fall, because fall is very busy with all kinds of events, and this is the kind of season where it kicks off. So open it up, and inside you're gonna have the face painting palette, okay? I'm not gonna open that, but there are different things in there, okay? Keep it in the box. You have your watercolor paints, that we use so that we don't waste the actual makeup. We practice with just regular paint. You have, let me pour these out, you have a package of purple brushes, you have a package of sponges for face painting, and then you have these containers. There should be 4 containers that you are going to take out of these little baggies. Don't keep them in the baggies. They're super annoying. Just take them out. These are going to be for when we make our unicorn snot or glitter. Okay, so these are the things that come in your face painting kit. Okay, and then yes, you can take them out of the actual packaging, but for now we're just going to leave that. So, okay, I'm going to put it on this side. The next thing that we have is going to be this pink bag. Okay, yes, hello. Oh, backwards, sorry. I am what you've been waiting for. You have been waiting to get this kit because you paid for it since last semester. So there's several things in here. You may have a different color bag. There is a white bag in here, but you may have a different color bag. It may be white. Let me just dump it out. There's a lot of things, okay? And again, double check and triple check inside the bag that there's nothing left in there. Put your hand in there. Sometimes things get stuck. You might have a blue, white, pink, tan. There's just different color bags, okay? So some of the items that are in here, let's start here. We have our facial soap cleanser pump. It's a foam maker. So we have that one. We have the the 2 hair clips. They may be white or they may be black. We have a little jewelry case for you to put your rings or a necklace in here, your bracelet. If it does not fit in here, you shouldn't wear it to school. If it doesn't fit in here, it's too much. Don't wear it to Cosmo because I promise you're going to lose it. Okay, we don't wear jewelry in Cosmo because it's insanitary. Then you have a washa. This may be pink, purple, yellow, blue, red, orange, black, gray, all kinds of swirly colors. You have something shaped like this, okay? And you can take it out of the packaging, although I'm not going to do so on camera. Loose, because it came in the mail later, is this right here. It is mapping string. It is tinted, so be careful. Do not take this out of the package. Do not take this out of the package. It is a hot mess. It stays in this dispenser. Okay, like floss. All right, the next thing, let me see which is which. Okay, so that's for brow. So let's start with our brow bag, not what's in here. Like if you're missing something from here, it maybe fell in this bag because I didn't seal these bags. So let's go with our brow kit. So our brow kit items are going to be as follows. You have a little bag. And try to keep those things, these things in here, okay? So let's take everything out, make sure nothing's in there. We're going to put our mapping string in here. We have a, they call them Chinese pencils. It's a brow mapping pencil, okay? We have a sticker ruler. Actually, you have 2 sticker rulers. You have a white pencil. It's a makeup, for makeup, it's what the ones you twist and it comes out. I forget what it's called. Retractable. I don't think that's the word, but anyway. And then you have this from e.l.f. It's the brow lip, so this you can take out. And you have, it's like a gel. It's clear, literally clear, it's empty. And you have soap brow product. There's a spoolie in here that's bent. It's supposed to be, okay, and there's packaging in there. But it's a little container like so. And I'm going to try to open it just for time. And then it's just spoolie. It's supposed to be bent, just FYI. Just leave it bent. Don't try to straighten it. And then you have another package here that is going to be your, if I can get my scissors in here quick enough, it's going to be your brow kit, okay? You can take the tape off of it so you can open it, but that is it. So these are the things for your brows. Please keep them in the bag. That's how it should be packaged, okay? Then we're going to look at our lash kit, okay? All the things that are for a lash kit. So we do have, and again, make sure there's nothing in here. We do have several things in our lash kit that we need to make sure we take good care of. Let's see here. Let's start with these two. You have two of your tabletop covers, pink and white. You have a lash glue that you need to take out of the container, out of the packaging. Okay. You have a little baggie. It could be pink, white, blue, black, different colors. Okay. You have your glue, should go in there. You have a little brush. Okay, this is a lash brush. Should go in there. I tell you, there's a lot of stuff. Okay. You are going to have these. There should have maybe be about 5. If you don't have 5, it's alright. We'll get you some more. These micro applicators. Notice we're just putting in there. This is all clean, okay? You should have 5 glue rings, maybe 6. You have another glue. One is, I believe, clear. The other one is black. Oh, I didn't do a very good job of opening that, did I? So one is clear, one is black. Okay, they're both strip lash adhesives. When we do lashes in class, I'll have the other kind that you can work on for individual lashes. We share that in class because it's more expensive. So we're going to put that glue in there as well. We have your lash tape. That goes in there. And there's a variety of things that we're going to add, okay? So we have 2 of the hydrogel eye patches, the silver ones, and then the 2 kind of reddish ones. You might have gold or pink. There's just different, but you should have 4 of those. If you are missing, again, let me know whatever you're missing and I'll make sure to get that for you. The next thing that we have is going to be a practice card. Mine has my name on it from last year, but it's a practice card. You have a loyalty card, 2 stickers. You have either this one or this one, but you have some stickers that for lash mapping that look like this. Either one or the other. If you have both, great. If not, one or the other is fine. And then you have these glue dots or glue stickers, disposable. Okay, and then you have this little baggie that says, thank you for supporting my small business, right? So these are the kind of paper things, and they can be bent if they don't fit, it's fine. Or folded, I guess you can say, just to keep it nice. So that goes in there. And then you have your lashes, okay? No, do not use these lashes at home until I tell you to bring them. So those go in your bag like so, okay? Now, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say, fold these and add that in there best you can. I know it's a little bit of a squeeze if you got to try fold them. Should I fold them this way? I think I'm going to fold them this way. Yeah, I'm going to fold them this way. Let's see if that's a better fit. That should be a better fit. Zipper first and then over on this side next. That probably should go in first and then put in all your stuff. So all of that is your lash kit. Okay, so you have a brow kit and you have a lash kit. Again, maybe different colors, etc. That's fine. Okay, those items. Okay, your face painting. Okay, you have your brow, your lash and your brow. You have your makeup. A lot of little things. And those with face painting as well. Okay. And these items are going to be attached or go with your facial kit. All of these things are going to go with the Burmax, the big box. Okay, so we're going to stop this video here just to kind of give you a break, give you a pause, let you resort everything out. I'm going to put everything back in my purple box or my purple bag for now until I go back and repackage everything and sort everything out best I can. Okay. So this is video 1. If you will go ahead and watch the second video so you can unpackage the big box, which is the toolkit from Burmax. Thanks for watching.